The primary goal of effective medical treatment following a motor vehicle accident is to promote long-term healing of the injured tissues and organs. Certainly, the first goal is to get you out of pain, but what is equally important is to do so in a way that will help you stay out of pain and prevent future problems from occurring. So the question is, what is the most effective treatment that will give you the best and most comprehensive results? To answer this question, you need to understand a little bit about the seriousness and complexity of whiplash injury. Your body is an amazing and complex machine. It can react to an event such as a rear-end collision in a fraction of a second. Just prior to a collision, your body attempts to prevent injury by tightening the muscles and bracing itself for impact. Although this reaction is very fast, in milliseconds, it is often not fast enough to protect you from injury because the collision happens faster than the body can react. In a motor vehicle accident, the most common injury is to the head and neck, and it is called whiplash injury. The first thing that happens in a rear-end collision is that your head accelerates backward and then gets thrust forward about 5 times faster than the rate of the impact. This means if you are at a complete stop and a car strikes you from behind at just 10 miles an hour, your head would be whipped forward, thus the term whiplash, at a speed of almost 50 miles an hour. That equates to 25 tons of force or falling from a 2-story building. Fortunately, your car absorbs some of that force. Otherwise, it could be deadly. During the impact, the high tension and shear forces can tear, rip, sprain, strain, or herniate more than 16 different ligaments, 20 or more muscles and tendons, 6 cervical discs, 16 nerve roots, and that is just the neck. Because your body is so beautifully complex, it requires an equally complex approach to treatment. A multidisciplinary treatment approach has been proven to maximize soft tissue healing after a traumatic whiplash injury. If you only take pain medication and muscle relaxers, then you are temporarily addressing the symptoms of the injury. If you only get physical therapy, you may be stretching and strengthening muscles, but you are not correcting your spinal alignment. If you only get chiropractic care, you may be getting the spine realigned, but you are not rehabilitating and strengthening your muscular components. Massage therapy can help you relax your injured muscles so you feel temporarily better, but in the long run, you are not addressing the underlying bone and soft tissue damage. There simply is not one mode of treatment by itself that can address all the complexities of a whiplash injury. Therefore, by combining medical treatment, physical therapy, chiropractic alignment, and massage therapy, you will absolutely have the best chance of long-term recovery. Independently, all of these treatments are effective, but collectively, they are proven to be incredibly powerful and effective. The severity of your whiplash injury can be variable. As a result, you may experience a variety of symptoms ranging from moderate muscle stiffness and soreness to extreme pain and restrictive movement in the head and neck. Regardless of the severity of your symptoms, it is very important to contact one of our professionals to have your injuries evaluated. Our highly qualified doctors can help you get the optimal treatment to help relieve your current symptoms and, more importantly, to prevent future, more serious problems related to long-term soft tissue damage. Don't get caught taking better care of your car than of yourself. After a car crash, it is common to focus more on getting your car fixed than attending to your physical injuries. The fact of the matter is that you will go through many cars in your lifetime, but you only get one body, and you have to live with it for the rest of your life. Doesn't it make sense to you that your body is more valuable than your car? Take care of your future health. Register now to receive a free consultation by one of our highly trained professionals.